how to fix GCash account on hold. Now, there are a few reasons why this could happen, but we can go ahead and take a look in their customer support service where you can potentially fix this problem if maybe there was a misunderstanding. So just go ahead to your preferred browser. We're going to Chrome over here. So just go ahead and search for GCash help or help center and press on pretty much the first link that pops out. So to find the specific question easier, just go ahead and type in hold or on hold actually. So press and search and it's gonna show these. So the first one's gonna say GCash account is on hold and how you can access your account or fix this. So it's gonna say over here the reasons why your account is on hold. So the first one is suspension or deactivation of GCash account or card section of their terms and conditions. So if you have received an email with the subject account deactivation, you can click here to learn about what your account needs to do. So go ahead and do that. So follow the prompts and it could possibly fix your account. The other problem or the other reason is GCash account was not fully verified within 12 months of account creation. So it will be deactivated if it is not fully verified within that time span. You may click in this little press thingy here to learn more about this policy. So other than those two, you also have inaccurate or invalid information and documents submitted. So if you didn't receive any email, this can mean that the information and documents you provided for verification may not be real or accurate. Of course, that's going to lead you to not getting anything since it's not your actual information. So you can access your account by pressing this little button over here and actually submit the actual real following required documents. So government issued IDs, photo of your signature, proof of income for some reason, and proof of billing. And finally, the last reason is your GCash account may be on hold due to illegal use, legal orders, or inactive wallet. So if again you did not receive an SMS for routine verification, email for non-compliance, non-verification, or account for review, and if you have been using your account for the past 6 months, your concern may fall into these. So illegal use, your account might be involved in illegal activities or suspicious transactions, or it might be used by someone not authorized. Legal orders, so GCash may have received instructions from a government agency or court to hold your account. Inactive wallet as well, so if your GCash wallet had no transactions or a zero balance for at least 6 months, then it will be considered inactive. So you can fix this by chatting with Gigi over here in the bottom right. Press on or type actually account on hold, and you can prepare the following requirements since Gigi will ask for photos of issued IDs, government IDs, selfie with the IDs of course, and screenshot of your number or your phone SIM settings showing your GCash registered number. So if any of these correlate to what actual situation you have or what reason your account may be on hold, you can follow the step-by-step process and how you can fix this problem or why this has happened, which can give you a answer on what you're supposed to do next. But hopefully one of these can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.